Understanding Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream usage.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss an important medication known as Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream. We will specifically answer how often you should apply this cream and how long you can safely use it.
What is Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream?
Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream is a type of corticosteroid cream that is primarily used for its anti-inflammatory and immune-suppressant effects. It is most commonly used to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms in conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and rash.
How often should I apply Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream?
The frequency of application depends on the specific condition being treated, as well as the advice of your healthcare provider. Typically, Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream is applied 2 to 4 times per day. However, it is crucial to follow the instructions given by your doctor or pharmacist.
How long can I use Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream?
The duration of treatment with Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream varies with the condition and individual response. Your healthcare provider will guide you on this. As a general rule, you should not use it for longer than 2 weeks unless directed by a physician. This is due to the risk of side effects with long-term use, including skin thinning and hormonal imbalances.
Important points to remember.
Always follow your doctor's instructions regarding the usage of Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream. Do not use it for longer or more frequently than prescribed. If your condition doesn't improve or worsens, consult your healthcare provider. Also, inform them about any side effects you experience. Lastly, remember that this medication is for external use only. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the use of Triamcinolone Acetonide Cream. Remember, it's essential to use this medication as directed by your healthcare provider. Take care, and we'll see you in our next video.